Hey there, this rechargeable liquid fuel transfer pump was sent over to me from the team at Stronix, so let's take a closer look at it. You're gonna get the machine, has an easy on-off button with battery life on it right here. On the sides are the USB charger as well as the 12-volt charger. Here's the actual spout that goes into whatever you are filling up. And here's a closer look at the pump portion. The tubing is around 6 feet long, so plenty of length to get from the ground to whatever it is you're filling up. You're also going to get the USB charging cord. You will need to provide the adapter for that to plug it into an outlet. You'll also get the adapter for a cigarette or accessory lighter in the vehicle with a long cord to that. And finally, you're going to get the connecting cord for a 12-volt battery. Also comes with an instruction manual showing all the components of the pump itself, as well as detailed instructions showing how to use it and by which method. The fuel transfer rate was fast, and I like how easy this is to use. The tube is 71 inches or almost 6 feet. It can pump up to 2.7 gallons per minute. It has an auto stop sensor on it to help prevent fuel spills, and on one charge it can run for up to 40 minutes. I think this is a great tool to have, especially for people who don't want to lift heavy fuel tanks or can't lift heavy fuel tanks to get their fuel from point A to point B. If you are looking for an easier way to transfer fuel back and forth, then I hope this video helps you decide on if this is a good product for you.